here it is. This is the 1987 Chevrolet Cavalier RS. A very, very unique car. This car is a relic. Now, before I tell anybody, or before I tell everybody, this is the replacement of the 2000 Ford Crown Victoria. This is a full tour, startup, exhaust, everything. And of course you can see the car needs a slight compound, but I'm going to use this car in one of my other videos on detailing it, probably Saturday. But as you can see, it's got that very square, very, very square front end like the celebrities. I think this is a very clean, classic car for its age, and I'll get to the inside and all the mileage and stuff too. It's got a slight ding here, a little dent, but you know, of course, that don't really matter. The hood needs to be brought out, and so does the windshield, or back here. This is a convertible, and the convertible does work, but manually. Can't put it down by motor anymore, and we're not really going to mess with it right now. But other than that, she seems to be really good. I'm not actually at my house right now, so. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the inside. It's got the black coated key. This it's been Z-barded, and I will get to all the other stuff in a second. Hold on. Here we go. We're on the other side now. You will not believe how clean this car is on the inside. It has power windows. Notice there's 4 and 2 windows. This and the other one goes down as well. The carpet in this car, well, of course, this ain't. The carpet in this car, to be 23 years old, is like new. I can't say it's like brand new, but you know, for 23 years old, this car, probably one of the cleanest cars around for its age. The seats, they're still very plushy, still very life left. The carpet back here is extremely clean. Backs of the seats is all clean. Everything back here is very mint. I mean, it really is. I think this is spare keys. Seat belt, full velour interior. That window goes down as well. And in my next video, I will show the original paperwork. It even has the original window sticker. So, let's go ahead and show the other side. Well, of course, I forgot to unlock this side. Okay. Now, I did put that floor mat in there. That's from the Crown Vic. Carpet's like new. Now, this is the Rally Sport edition. All this will clean up very nice. Rear lighting. Got a couple stains, but that'll come out in my video. Okay. Without doing anything else, trunk now. Like I said, the trunk is very dull, but that will come out very good in the detailing process of this car. Here's all the original paperwork. Of course, a very clean trunk that went with this car. Everything that I will show in a separate video is in that. Here's the original color, bring it back to life. Like that. Okay. Okay. It does have AM FM cassette. This is fuel injected. Everything is like new on it. Let's turn the key a little bit. All the windows work. Okay, everything works on a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder. This is the GM made motor, not Brazilian motor. 2-liter, basically the same thing as the 2.2. Let me set the now. Well, wow. Now it's time to start it up. So I will do 2 startups on it. One in the front and one in the back, the exhaust. So here we go. This is going to be the very front. Okay.
Back. I'm gonna have to take a little piece of metal and
Start it up.
put a couple screws in it with a piece of metal.
Start it up.
I'll fix it. That way it don't
Start
catch
up,
on
please.
fire.
Well,
You know what?
here we go.